Greeting Mark Brown. As you can see, we have a Microsoft Word document right here. What we wanted to do, save it as a template. How can we really save this as a template? Right, we want to go to the left. You notice you see the word file. We're going to click on the word file. Now when you click on the word file, you will see new, open, save, info, and all of that. Come down here, shape, export. So we want to click on save as. Now when you click on save as, right, you can come right here, browse, or you can click at computer. So I'm going to click on browse. Now when I click on browse, you're going to see exactly what I will do to save it as a template. It's very important, right? And how that template actually look like. Right, here am I now. But if you notice right here, it's a saving type. So when I come and look up right here, I'm going to click. Right, so what I want to do, save it as template. If you notice right here, it's a Word template. So I'm going to click that. Notice when I click it, I'm going to make sure it says save on the desktop, that I can actually see it. So I'm going to come right here, I'm going to click on the word save. Now I'm going to minimize this right here by coming right up here. Alright, if you notice, this itself is a template. Alright, I'm going to save this document and you can see the difference between both of them. Alright, let me save this one, just ordinary. Alright, you're going to see the difference between them both. Alright, so I'm going to move this back from our document. Just a look ordinary document, just like that. I'm going to click that. Alright, so what I'm going to be doing now, mind this, I'm going to show you. Alright, if you notice the difference with this document and this one. Alright, so this one is the one to save as the template. If you notice this one here, yes, it's very important. So this is how we actually save a Microsoft Word document as a template. Alright, so thanks for watching. See you in the next video.